Hello and welcome to our review of the BIERUM Baby Bassinet, a versatile and safe bedside sleeper designed for newborns and infants up to 33 pounds. This 3-in-1 bassinet can be used as a side-down baby bed, a bedside sleeper, or a standalone crib, offering flexibility to suit your needs. Crafted from a premium steel alloy frame, it meets ASTM and CPSC safety standards, ensuring a secure environment for your little one. The bassinet features a soft, high-density memory foam mattress with a waterproof and breathable sheet, providing comfort and support for your baby's spine. With 7 adjustable height levels and a single-sided angle feature, it easily adapts to various bed heights and helps prevent milk spitting after feeding. Equipped with safety straps and 4 casters, it can be securely attached to your bed and moved effortlessly, while the large storage basket and side pocket offer convenient space for baby essentials. Plus, the tool-free assembly means you can set it up or take it down in just 3 minutes, making it a practical choice for any parent. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.